Hello everyone, welcome back to my Tech Tips. Hope you guys are doing great and keeping safe in this pandemic situation. First of all, thanks for all your support you have shown in the last video where we did the comparison between HT S20R and Sony HT RT3. So in this video we are going to compare HT S20R and Zebronics Juke 9400 in depth. We have put a lot of effort in making this video, so if you guys like this video while watching, please subscribe to my Tech Tips for more quality videos like this. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. We are going to split this video into 6 parts. And for each part we are going to compare the soundbar head to head and see what is performing better than other. So without skipping, watch the video till the end. Before getting into the topic one by one, before that let's have a quick intro. When you take both the soundbar, HT S20R was launched in the year 2020 and Zebronics Juke bar also launched in the year 2020. The price range of HT S20R is 18,000 INR, whereas the price range of Zebronics Juke bar 9400 is 14,000 rupees. Both these are 5.1 soundbar. When it comes to the audio format support, HT S20R has only Dolby Digital support, whereas Zebronics Juke 9400 has Dolby Digital Plus support. It looks like Dolby Digital Plus support we're gonna have more sound, but that's the trick. Dolby Digital not gonna have higher performance in terms of 5.1 channel soundbar. Let's see that in detail in few minutes. When it comes to the USB 5 formats, Zebronics Juke bar has only support to MP3 files, whereas HT S20R has support to MP3, WMA and WAV files. Along with this, both the soundbar can support LPCM. When it comes to LPCM, the soundbar can support up to only 2 channels, whereas Dolby Digital and Dolby Digital Plus can support 5.1 channel. Let's see whether Dolby Digital Plus is going to increase the performance of the Zebronics Juke 9400. Initially we thought that having a Dolby Digital Plus is actually a big boost to Zebronics Juke 9400, but after doing some research on that, we found out that Dolby Digital Plus not going to impact any performance in terms of 5.1 channel surround systems. Dolby Digital itself can handle up to 5.1 channel, whereas Dolby Digital Plus can handle 7.1 channel. So if we are having a home theater for 7.1 channel, then definitely Dolby Digital Plus gonna help. So since this soundbar is 5.1 channel, it's not gonna help much. For example, if you are transferring Dolby Digital Plus signal via optical, it will be done converted into Dolby Digital and sent across the optical wire. As you can see, the 5.1 channel audio for Dolby Digital Plus is encoded around 192 to 256 kbps, whereas Dolby Digital is typically encoded around 384 to 640 kbps. So definitely the file size is little bit heavy in the Dolby Digital, but if you are using an HDMI-R to transfer the signal, Dolby Digital and Dolby Digital Plus gonna give same performance. To speaker watt and impedance, HT S20R has 400 watt and Zebronics Juke 9400 has 525 watt. There is a significant improvement of 125 watt. The center channel of S20R has 67 watt and 4 ohm. Front left, front right, surround right are also has the same watt and ohm. And the subwoofer of the HT S20R has 65 watt and 4 ohm. When it comes to Zebronics Juke 9400, the center channel, front left, front right, surround right, everything has 75 watt and 8 ohm, whereas the subwoofer has 150 watt and 4 ohm. The Zebronics Juke 9400 has 125 watt more than HT S20R. It doesn't mean that the Zebronics perform good. The major factor is the combination of watt and impedance. The loudness of the speaker is directly proportional to the watt, whereas the impedance, the ohm of the speaker, is indirectly proportional to the loudness and performance of the speaker. The impedance also plays a major role in the feel of the speaker. Higher the impedance, the wear and tear of the speaker will be less and we're going to get a clear and awesome sound. In terms of that, based on this, let's analyze how the center channel, surround sound and bass gonna react with these watt and impedance. When it comes to the voice clarity, the HT S20R has 67 watt and 4 ohm, whereas Zep 9400 has 75 watt and 8 ohm. Since it's an 8 ohm speaker, definitely the voice clarity going to be good, but the volume is going to be really less. So in terms of voice clarity, HT S20R is good. When it comes to the surround sound, it again the same. Since HT S20R has a lower impedance, it's gonna give more sound. So in Zebronics Juke 9400, sometimes you're gonna feel that there is like less sound. When it comes to the bass, Zebronics Juke bar is going to be really an overkill. It has 150 watt and 4 ohm. Considering the sound, the bass is going to be really high. So if you are a bass lover, then definitely Zebronics Juke 9400 gonna surprise you. To compromise on the watt and impedance of the speaker, what they comes up in the out of the box package, the S20R and Zebronics Juke 9400 gonna give lot of sound features and mode. Let's see what all they have to enhance the sound experience of the user. When it comes to HT S20R, the sound modes are auto sound, cinema, music, standard. In terms of auto sound, it's gonna detect the frequency of the sound and gonna adjust it accordingly. When it comes to sound mode, it has a night mode, voice mode and voice mode with increase in level. This night mode is a feature I really love because in terms of movie watching at the night time, you wanna get like less effects but not in compromise of the voice clarity. Usually in terms of 5.1 soundbar, if you just reduce the volume, the voice clarity will go down but still you're gonna get a lot of effects. So this night mode is going to be really helpful. In terms of Zebronics Juke 9400, it has only 4 modes: music, movie, news and sports. It clearly shows that Zebronics didn't put much effort in having many modes when compared to Sony. What works for Sony here is they already have a lineup of home theaters where their software system is really good, similar to the hardware as well. So they can easily use the same software to get the sound effects. One major part which everyone forgets in terms of soundbar is the dimension of the soundbar. The dimension of the soundbar gonna impact in the placement of the soundbar, which results in the enhanced better sound quality. Now let's see how the dimension of the soundbar gonna impact the sound performance. The HT S20R has 76 cm length, whereas the Zebronics Juke 9400 has 90 cm length. Since Zebronics Juke 9400 has extra length in the soundbar, it's gonna help in achieving the perfect soundbar position. So definitely I'm pretty much sure Zebronics Juke 9400 gonna get much more sound separation in terms of front left and front right channel when compared to HT S20R. As you saw in the screen, for a better sound quality, the speaker positions are much more important. So make sure that you are sitting in the right position in front of the soundbar to get an actual sound. I have already made the video on where the soundbar to be positioned. I will keep the video in the end screen, so please check that out. The soundbar is something which is going to be in your hall for 24/7. So having a better design for your soundbar is also important. The Sony has done a lot of research for the soundbar design, and for the HT S20R they have come up with a unique design which can optimally sit on your TV unit, which can elevate the look. But in terms of Zebronics Juke 9400, when I did some research, I was really disappointed to see that they have actually used the same design what Reliance Reconnect SB01502 soundbar used. We all know that the Zebronics Juke 9400 was manufactured from China. Even HT S20R was the same, but still HT S20R has an unique design at least. But Zebronics Juke has already taken an old design, put the speaker in that, so which is actually disappointing, which clearly shows that the build quality will also be average when compared to HT S20R. In some other videos also, a lot of people commented that they have facing lot of subwoofer cut and lot of issues in terms of Zebronics Juke 9400. It clearly shows that HT S20R has better build quality as well as better design when compared to Zebronics Juke 9400. I wish Zebronics will come up with some better design and better build quality down in the line. Till now we have analyzed the soundbar in various aspects in depth. Now let's see the buying guide of these two soundbars. If you want to buy a soundbar with top end class quality which gonna last at least for 5 years, then HT S20R is a better option. Whereas Zebronics Juke 9400 comes up with a trade-off in quality and price. HT S20R is good suited for a medium or small room, and similarly Zebronics Juke also the same. Since it's having very high impedance, it's also suitable for small or medium room even though it has a high wattage. Since the length of the HT S20R is less when compared to Zebronics Juke 9400, for a movie watching experience, HT S20R going to be matched for TV less than 50 inch, whereas Zebronics Juke can be paired up with higher inch TVs. If you are a bass lover who gonna love lot of thumping bass, then Zebronics Juke 9400 is an option for you, whereas HT S20R gonna give balanced bass for optimal movie watching experience. Since it's a lesser impedance speaker, the channel separation, which is the sound difference between the front left channel and the front right channel, is good for HT S20R, whereas the channel separation of Zebronics Juke 9400 is going to be better since it's an 8 ohm impedance speaker, I hope this video is useful for you guys. If you have any questions regarding the soundbar, please leave a comment in the comment section below. We'll try to answer as soon as possible. Till now we have answered almost all the comments we have got. Please subscribe to My Tech Tips for more such videos. You can watch our other videos right here. See you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.